Welcome to Texas, the second largest state in the United States, known for its rich history, diverse landscapes, and unique culture. From deserts to forests, and from cattle ranches to oil fields, Texas has a lot to offer to visitors. Let's take a journey through time and explore some of the most interesting places to visit in this great state. First on our list is the Alamo. Located in San Antonio. This former Spanish mission is one of the most famous landmarks in Texas and the site of the Battle of the Alamo, in 1836. Visitors can tour the Alamo and learn about the brave men who fought and died there, including Davy Crockett and Jim Bowie. Austin, the capital of Texas. Visitors can tour the Texas State Capitol, which is one of the tallest Capitol buildings in the country. This beautiful building was completed in 1888 and is a great example of Victorian architecture. Visitors can take a guided tour and learn about the history of Texas and its government. If you're looking for outdoor adventure, head to Big Bend National Park, located in West Texas. This park covers over 800,000 acres and is home to a diverse range of landscapes, including mountains, deserts, and canyons. Visitors can hike, camp, and explore the park's scenic beauty, as well as its rich wildlife, including the threatened desert bighorn sheep. For space enthusiasts, the Houston Space Center is a must-visit destination. Located in the city of Houston, this facility is home to NASA's Johnson Space Center, where astronauts are trained for space missions. Visitors can take a tour of the facility and see the mission control room, as well as a variety of interactive exhibits and simulations. If you're interested in archaeology, the Lubbock Lake Landmark is a fascinating place to visit. This archaeological site is located in Lubbock and contains artifacts and evidence of human habitation dating back over 12,000 years. Visitors can explore the site and learn about the diverse cultures that have lived in Texas over the millennia. So there you have it, folks, just a few more of the many amazing places to visit in Texas. Whether you're interested in history, nature, science, or just looking for a fun and unique experience, Texas has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of the most diverse and exciting states in the country.